Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we're checking out another VR accessory for your MetaQuest 3 headset. This is a battery head strap by ANNAPRO. It retails for 126 Canadian. It's on sale right now for $88 for Black Friday. If you're looking to buy it, I will link below where you can find that. Its battery capacity is 6500 mAh with 15 watt 5 volt 3 amp output watts. It extends your game time by about 2 to 3 hours. It's got a few good features here. In this one we're going to unbox it. I'll show you how to put it on, show you what it looks like on, and then I'll give you my review of it. So let's jump into this one. Alright, here we go. Let's unbox this and see what we got. So it just slides right out. Leave that up here. And a nice box here. Top-notch VR accessories for you. There we go. Just a little note about overheating sometimes when you're recording things. Let's open this one up. Inside of here we have some garbage. We got our user manual here, which is always nice to have. Battery capacity 6500 mAh. Good to know. Have our little head padding there, casing. We have the top strap. And then we have the head strap itself. So these will just curl right out. I'm just going to take a quick peruse of this. You can see on the side there, ANNAPRO. When you're pushing this into place, you want to make sure that the slot is on the top, because that's where our top strap and cushion are going to go. There you go, those just slide into place nicely. We got a button here. It actually has three lights right now, so that obviously tells you how much charge it has. We got our knob at the back to adjust. That knob is flush with the rest of the battery, which isn't always the case with some of these here. So to install this onto our Quest 3, here is my Quest 3. Sometimes I haven't had the old strap on there when I've done videos, and people have asked to leave it on there so that they know how to take it off. So we'll quickly go through that. If you just squeeze on your facial interface here, sometimes depending how tightly I put it on, I just took it off a few minutes ago, and there we go. Then that just pinches off, and you can remove that. We remove that so we can get rid of this top strap more easily. And then if you push on the back here of the strap along the arm, these just pop right off. I find that actually easier than it was on the Quest 2. Okay, so we got one strap that is quite long and one that is really short. I'm going to put the short end back here and just put that on right there for now. Sticky side up, so that once it goes through, the sticky side will be down. You just push it through and pull it. I'm just going to put it to there for now because I don't know exactly where it's going to fit. And then these will just pinch into place here on the side. Now I can already tell you that I like the design on these because it comes out a little bit. You can see it comes out a little bit, so that means when I'm going to take it off, it gives you a little leverage point, and it easily will pop off there. Once you got that installed, you can put your facial interface back in, and you can hear it click into place there. Then your little battery cord goes in right there. You can see on the side we got a little holder there for it that moves as you wish there, and you can adjust that as you go. Okay, so I'm going to try this on. I'm going to use it a little bit. I'll show you me trying it on. I'll talk about its features, and then I'll give you a little review of it in the end as well. Okay, so we've had a chance to test this one out a little bit. I wanted to try it on, show you what it looks like on, show you a few of the features, and then I will give you my review of it here as well. So let's put this on. To put it on, you can easily just loosen it with the knob at the back. It's got a nice tilt feature on there. And then you can tighten it with that same knob, turning it clockwise. There we go. So here's what it looks like on. Like I said, there's that knob at the back which easily makes it adjustable to tighten it and to loosen it. So it's easy to share if you're having other people use it. On the top here, we got a nice padded top head strap there. The very back, I'll show you later, isn't quite padded. It's just kind of encases your head there. But in terms of movement, it's pretty good. I know this looks hilarious, but I do like to kind of test it there. I've used this playing a whole bunch of different games. I haven't found the movement to be excessive at all. It stays pretty sturdy on the head, and it doesn't loosen itself as you're playing. Some other head straps that I've used have loosened themselves while they're playing. So let's loosen this up here. Again, it has a nice tilt function, so you can easily put it on and off. You can see the little padding there, and on the back you can see it's not padded there. It's just a silicone ring that does encase the head. It does enclose it quite nicely, and it is comfortable. It's just not padded, whereas some other ones that I tried for the Quest 2 are padded. We got the cord going along the side here with the ANNAPRO there. A button up here to see how much charge is left. I've ran it right down because I wanted to use it and test it. And we got the charging port for the battery part at the bottom there. And I feel like that's it for the design. So I wanted to talk a little bit about how much game time it gave me. It gave me between 2.5 and 3 hours extra game time. So I got about 4.5-ish. 4.5-ish hours of game time, 5 hours of game time, which is pretty good for 6,000. I think it's 6,500 mAh. Excuse me. That's not too bad. Better than a couple other ones that I've tested for the Quest 3. In terms of overall comfort, it is comfortable. It stays sturdy. It is just not padded at the back here. It is padded on the top, which is nice. I found that it was a good counterbalance. It weighs about 0.7 pounds, so 700, or sorry, not 700 grams, be about 300 grams. It is a pretty good counterbalance for the front of the headset. I did find that there was still a little bit of weight on the front, but it does balance itself out, which is nice. Some other head straps are quite a bit heavier. The BOBOVR one is about 70% more heavy than this one here, so that is quite a bit. In terms of price point, it is 120 Canadian. It's on sale for 88 Canadian right now. It is Black Friday right now, and so that might be why it is on sale. That is a little bit steep compared to some other ones that I've seen today or yesterday or today. Can't remember which day it was. The Kiwi battery head strap for the Quest 3 did launch. I did go onto their website. It's 115 Canadian. It is slightly cheaper. It is on sale for $80 American, so that'd be about 110 Canadian. So the sale's not quite as good, but overall it is slightly cheaper. It will have the padding on the back there, and the Kiwi one was my go-to for the Quest 2, so I really am interested to test that in comparison to something like this. But overall, I think it is a great head strap. I don't really have any complaints about it. When I was using it, the battery wouldn't charge while I was playing. It would slowly run down even when it was plugged in and when I was playing. So it did extend that time, but it's not like it was charging it while I was playing. And I know a lot of people are looking for that feature right now. This one's not capable of doing that. It's close, but it still isn't capable of doing that. So if you have any questions or comments about this, please let me know in the comments below or send me a message. I'm more than happy to answer them. If you haven't checked out my other VR accessory reviews, please do so. I'm going to be reviewing a lot more Quest 3 accessories in the coming weeks here. Thank you for watching this one. We'll see you next time here on Brian Sloan Artist.